Hello, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Myself SD. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the Samba. Samba is the file sharing system in the Linux, so you can use it in your Linux system with my related to my video. So first of all, I logged into my server, and I have SSH also. So I checked my username. It's like a IP address. This is my IP address. I connect through that putty. Sorry, the username is test. Yeah. So now I have to update my server. Then I have to install the Samba. Samba is sudo apt install the Samba. Yes, the Samba is installing. It will take some time because it is downloading. Yeah, now I have to edit the assembly. Yeah, here is my Samba configuration file. So I want to change, or I want to add some directory. Yeah, web directory. I just copy and the paste. I save. Sure, VIC. Yeah. So those are date 43.16. Here you can check with a file I can create. It's not accessible without the permission, and with the Yes, now we can create that. Yeah, I already created a file in my server, so I have to check. Yeah, you can check also SD 2008, or I can nano. You can check SD. Also, I refreshed that. You can check that already high a command. So thanks for watching. Thank you watching for my video. It's a normal Samba configuration and how to use that. You can check how to use from the Windows PC to a Linux server. So my next video will the Samba user permission with a login, user ID and password. You can share with your file with the Samba server. So thank you so for watching. And my one of my viewer, its name Ankur, he told me so many days for my in my command. So please configure the Samba and all the details how to configure the Samba and username password. So my next video will be on Samba. It is a normal configuration. So please Ankur, first of all I sorry for that, for it's getting so many late, so much late for the video. So please watch. If you have any related query, you can comment out in my video. Thank you for watching.